Hello beautiful person watching this video, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time stopping by, hello and a very warm welcome to you, and thank you so much for watching. On today's episode of Cooking with Bena, I am going to be sharing with you how I make my Parmesan garlic chicken wings. These wings are crispy and absolutely delicious, and if you have kids they will love it because we loved it here. And I also served it with this baked potato fries and some crunchy veggies, and the combo is like a match made in heaven. I will be sharing the recipe with you in a moment, so please stick around. Our Parmesan garlic chicken wings. We are going to be needing 1 kilogram of chicken wings. I washed them up with some lime and water and patted them dry. And for the dry ingredients, we will need, I have here half a teaspoon of cayenne pepper. I have 1 teaspoon of dried rosemary, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of onion powder. I have 1 teaspoon of Mrs. Dash seasoning, this one, the salt free. I have half a teaspoon of the Montreal chicken seasoning, this one. I have half a teaspoon of smoked paprika, half a teaspoon of my chicken bouillon, and also my salt and black pepper to taste. And I'm also going to need about 2 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil, just a sprinkle before putting in the dry marinade, so that the chicken wings become crispy as we bake them. And for the wet ingredients, I have here some fresh parsley. I'm going to chop it up. I have some 3 cloves of garlic, fresh. I'm going to mince them up. I have 1/3 cup of measured room temperature butter. I'm going to melt it up, and I also have half a cup of freshly grated Parmesan cheese. Now guys, I'm going to link all of these ingredients in the description box. So to start guys, I'm going to go in with about 2 or 1 tablespoon of extra virgin olive oil, and after that I'm going to go in with all the dry marinade. I'll add in some salt, and finally some freshly ground black pepper. This should be about a 1/4 teaspoon. Okay guys, my hands are clean, so I'm going to go ahead and just marinate everything to mix. And at this point, my oven has been preheated, so I'm going to start first of all by broiling them on high heat. So I'll broil the wings on high heat for about 8 minutes. And after that, I'm going to lower the heat so that we can achieve the golden brown, crispy color. I line my baking sheet with the parchment paper, and they're ready to go into the oven. So like I mentioned before, my oven was preheated to the broil option high. I'm going to be broiling them for about 5 to 8 minutes. And after that, I'll check on them and I'll lower the heat so that we can now start achieving the golden brown, crispy nature that we want. So I'll be right back to show you how they look. Our wings have been cooking on 5 minutes on each side, and I flip them over. So right now I'm going to lower the heat and put them on low broil heat so that they can brown evenly. And also please, you want to make sure that you monitor your wings while they cook, because every one's appliance is different. It really depends. Some heat up really fast and some are slower, so you want to make sure that you monitor it while it is in the oven so it doesn't burn. Guys, we have our wings. They are all nice and golden brown and crispy, just the way we wanted them to be. And as they were I was finalizing them in the oven. I have here the melted butter, and in this pot I have added the 3 cloves of garlic in the melted butter. I'm just going to saute it a little bit for about 1 to 2 minutes. We don't want to overcook our garlic. And then the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go in and add in the fresh chopped parsley. Remember our freshly chopped parsley we had at the beginning? So I'm adding it into that pot. I'm just going to lower the heat really nicely. So I added in my parsley. Like I mentioned, you don't want to overcook it, so just for 1 minute or so. It should be good now. I'll just turn off the heat. Transfer this sauce into the wings. Ooh. It smells so good. And the next thing I'll do, I'll go in with my freshly grated Parmesan cheese. And I'm going to mix it all up. Just look at how beautiful that looks, guys. Oh my goodness, it looks amazing. So guys, our Parmesan garlic chicken wings are all ready to be served. Just look at how beautiful they look. Oh my goodness, they smell amazing. I actually tried one and it tastes amazing. I'm going to be serving them with this baked fries. So these are like a healthy twist to your fries. I am going to be sharing this recipe how I actually bake my crispy fries. I have sprinkled on there some Parmesan cheese and some garlic with some parsley as well, and we are going to be eating this. Of course, guys, you know we cannot eat without veggies. It's very important that we have vegetables paired with every meal. So I have here some cucumber sliced, some celery, some baby carrots and tomatoes, and I also have a favorite herby dip. Now if you haven't watched the video on how I make this cashew herby dip, please make sure to check that out. It goes so well with your crunchy veggies and it's a great way for you to add more veggies to your diet. Also we have, of course, our pepper sauce right there. So guys, I hope that you like this video. If you do, please do not forget to give it a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel so we can continue to grow together, encourage each other as a family, and please make sure you continue to drink more water. It is so hot where I am and I get to drink more and more water. Stay hydrated and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.